Don't let it go too far. Go, go, go! Oh. Yeah. Good job. We did it!
Yes, we did it.
Holy shit. Alright. Okay, so today we're going to go through the two new cars that we got from 5150, which is the 73 Sunroof Duster. We think, what, 41 made?
Yeah, 44.
44 made, which is crazy. Excuse me while I'm out of breath. It's a quadruple black car, so it's black stripe, black paint, black interior, black vinyl top, which is pretty fucking sweet.
Should we raise it, Danny?
Let's raise it.
Let's do it. First order of business is looking at the transmission to see if its numbers matching, which we don't believe it is. Hard to see it. Get a little brake cleaner in here and get her cleaned out. I don't know if you can see that in there, Danny. Looks like it's 062210497, I believe, right?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. So last four, 1497, does not match the VIN. So this is not a numbers matching transmission. It's a 727 torque flight, non-numbers matching. So either we'll find one unstamped or this one may be close. We'll have to check the numbers. Next, we're going to look at the engine. Make sure the engine's numbers matching. This is a 340. So spray a little WD or brake cleaner in there. Clean it up a little bit. This is on the passenger side of the vehicle, just under the freeze plug here. And this right here looks to be, he says 26175-310, or 2B, I mean, 2B175310. So we'll have to take a look now at the VIN number and see if it matches.
Oh. Okay, so a little update on the 73 Sunroof car. It's still a badass car, but we determined for sure that this is not a numbers matching car. Not a numbers matching engine, not a numbers matching automatic. It's just not. We have a huge fender tag here, obviously. So it's a very well optioned car. We're going to decode this a little bit later and just make sure that everything else is verified. Supposedly it's a quadruple black car. You know, black paint, black stripe, black interior, black vinyl top, you know, with that badass sunroof. Still an amazing 73 Duster, one of only 44, we know that for sure. But definitely a little bit of a different story now that it's not numbers matching. You know, CP Mopar, we make Mopars great again, but maybe this isn't the one we do, who knows? So stay tuned, guys.
Thanks to 5150 for this awesome quadruple black, Danny.
Quadruple black, full.
Quadruple black. Tell them about the quadruple black.
Well, it's a quadruple black car, black paint, black vinyl top, black interior, black 340 stripe. So, you know, you don't
Really
see
neat.
that. Yeah, you don't see it often.
Sunroof car.
Which is the most important part.
Most important part, which is just really cool. So not only is the car going to be really cool, the sunroof makes it even cooler. Unfortunately, it's not a numbers matching engine. It's or transmission, but it is a 71 340 block, which is still a really cool, rare block. Thinking about it, we'll probably just put the same one back in it, probably the same trans. At the end of the day, it's not numbers matching, or it is or it isn't. It's not, so we can probably get a period correct closer, but I don't know, I think the 71 is probably a better engine.
It is, yeah, we can, and because it's not numbers matching, we can do whatever we want to.
Yeah.
Hop it up,
Hop it up, make it pretty solid, but bringing back the Mopars, man.
That's right.
That's it, bringing it back. Something like this is setting It was picked up in Chico by 5150s, and Troy's had it for about 8 years, the 5150 guys. Been sitting there. Troy didn't really want to get rid of it. He knows we love the Dusters.
Yeah.
And we got the green one that we're building that you guys have seen. And so he offered us this one to purchase. It being a triple black sunroof, quadruple black sunroof car, we couldn't pass up on it. So Julius Restoration is going to restore the car. We really appreciate that. Carlos with Submission Engines is going to help us rebuild the engine and get the trans squared away. So, and then we'll probably have other people, helping with certain things. But we're looking forward to getting it done. Yeah.
But it's gonna be fun.
Let's do it. I'm gonna see if this thing has a broadcast sheet. I seriously doubt it, but you never know, right? So we'll pull this back seat real quick, see what it has behind there. I should pull that out too. Look at it. This is cool here. These fold down seats, Danny.
Yeah.
They're really neat. And this is the 73. We have this as well.
Mm-hmm. On the green car.
On the green car, yeah. These right here, you just gotta push them in and pop them out. These bad boys. So cool how these old ones. It's like I'm doing jiu-jitsu in the car. There we go. What we got, Benny?
Nothing.
No broadcast sheet. We figured there wouldn't be one, but you can look here over the years. All the rats get into these cars. See all that rat shit?
Yummy. Yummy.
No broadcast sheet, all good. But the one cool thing about this car, why it's worth restoring, I believe, one is we make Mopars great again. It's just one of the things we do. We love the cars. It's more of a passion of the cars. People say, oh, don't restore it if it's not numbers matching or things like that, but they're getting harder to find. But this sunroof is super cool. So black interior, black exterior, black stripe, sunroof car, black vinyl top. You're not going to see very many. And so I still think this car is worth restoring because we're kind of crazy like that. We like these A-bodies. We love the Dusters. Imagine this thing completely restored. It's going to be a badass car.
If that thing is right, too, it's a factory AC car.
Yep, factory AC car, which is cool. Really neat. What's amazing is when you see them like this, and then you see them done. I mean, the transformation is so cool. I mean, our buddy Julius Restorations will be doing this car. He's been turning and burning cars for us pretty quick, about 12 months, which is unheard of to turn a car like that. So, looking forward to having him get this one, and he's looking forward to getting it. He's actually waiting on us. We got to pull the engine. We're going to send it to our buddy Carlos with Submission Engines. And make sure I don't get bit by nothing in here. Super cool. Always check the glove box. You never know. We find old registrations. It's kind of cool stuff.
Give it a couple dollars.
Yeah, a couple bucks. No drugs in the doors. You never know. But as we said, look at the engine here. We'll be pulling the engine out. Actually, Carlos is going to do it for us, which is really cool. He's going to pull the engine for us. He said, no problem. And he's going to rebuild it, of course. So he'll pull it, rebuild it, and then we'll take it to Julius out there in Texas. He's in Houston. Probably have Carlos do the transmission too, just because he's going to dyno the engine. He'll probably be making, I don't know, 450, maybe 450, 500 horse. And so we'll want to make sure the transmission's built.
Damn, we're going to squeeze that out of the 340? Hell yeah.
I think so.
Let's go nuts with it.
Carlos is awesome. He always brings a lot of horsepower out of him. Check him out, Submission Engines. Great guy.
Where's he out of? He's in, what's that
Is
city?
it West Covina or?
No, not West Covina. It's close, though. Something like that. IE.
IE, yeah. We'll post that on here where Carlos is. I got his business card. We'll post his business card. Anybody that needs an engine built, he's one of the best Hemi builders. I mean, that green Roadrunner, I had that 70. That car's ran for, I had that done in 2006.
20 years ago.
Just amazing. Yeah, 20 years.
20 years. 20 years of the Roadrunner.
Yeah, I've known him for 20 years. That's crazy. Shit, getting old, Daddy. But also the sticker. This should be an original sticker. VIN matches there. Pretty cool. 8 of 73. Gonna be a badass car. As we were talking about, I don't think the wheels were original, right? Those aren't original
No.
wheels, but we'll probably go black, right? Painted wheels with the caps on them.
We'll see what, yeah, probably black, but we'll see what the VIN calls for. It could call for rally wheels.
Could call for rallies. That'd be cool. And then the sunroofs. Tell them about the sunroofs, Danny. These were.
Well, they were put on, I think after they came off the assembly line, they were sent to America's Sunroof Corporation, ASC, I think it was. Sunroof Corporation or Sunroof Company, I can't remember. One of those, but I'm pretty sure, and I'm sure the people will tell me if I'm wrong, that they were sent to ASC right off the assembly line, and they were pretty much just cutting and installing. It's the non-power, it's a crank, which is kind of neat. On a B body, it would have been potentially a power top, but this is our power sunroof car. But this is a crank car.
And this is our only sunroof car. I've always wanted a sunroof car. And it's cool to see the stamps in the windows, the original stamps, really neat.
She's not numbers matching, but she's glass matching. So, you know, that's positive.
Check out the trunk here. We got the original stereo.
Love it.
So cool. Got the center console here. Cool center console there. Isn't that neat?
Very nice. Ashtray.
Ashtray. It's so cool too. Watch.
What's in there?
You'll see this is in the car, how cool it's going to look, and Julius is done with this bad boy. Stuff's going to look brand new. We'll just leave that alone there for now. Can't open that bad boy. Little bumper in the trunk never hurts, but like I was saying, the fold down shit's cool. And then us doing our 73 is, I'm going to take some more pictures here because there was a few things that I noticed in the 73.
The green car.
The green one, I keep saying that, yeah, this is 73, but the green car that we're working on, there's a few things I want to look at how things went together. And so it's nice having another 73, we can take some pictures. But, well, it's going to be a cool one, man.